day. Another one. Where does Agile really work? Wow, what a question. Oh my God. You are about to get your car's blood boiling with this question. Where does Agile really work? How
dare you?
How dare you? How dare you ask that question? But it is a great question. It is a great question. So let me get to it. It says, I work in a company that is essentially a service provider for health insurance companies. We provide the platform to a client for them to handle all the admin and billing for their customers. So we have little to no business involvement. I am the product owner, I guess, PO. So I have to make the decision based on what I think the business wants. I meet with them 10 times a year. Agile doesn't work for us, in my opinion, because there is no business involvement. I barely have their input during requirement gathering. They are barely available to answer questions, and they could ask for something in 2022 and then actually start using it in 2024 to find issues. Oh my God, your car is so bad. Anyways, so my question is, would it be fair to say in this context, Agile really won't work when the correct stakeholders are not present? Or is there some hybrid way where Agile could still work? Well, let's start our timer. So here's the deal, right? Like we said earlier, Agile is a methodology of working, although Agile is primarily supposed to be for the stakeholders and stuff like that. But guess what? There are always stakeholders, because guess what? For the engineers still have a stakeholder. Who are the stakeholders for the engineer? You are product owner, project organizer, project owner, whatever your title is, right? You become the stakeholder to the developers, right? Because they are building for somebody. So guess what? As the PO, the methodology is not necessarily for you in particular. It is in order to get stuff cranked out and incremental improvement. So if you are building software, you want to go with a Agile methodology, whether it's Scrum or whether it's Kanban. Kanban, you will get stuff done. It'll be moving progressively throughout different phases. I use Kanban for some of the work that I do. I use Scrum for some of the work, some of the other work that I do, right? But for you to think that because of the type of company that you work for, because like you guys are I guess kind of like a service as a software company for health insurance companies, is there software that you're deploying? Are you deploying software? That's the question. If you are deploying software, then Agile is a great way to go, whether it's Kanban or whether it's Scrum, right? The question is, how does the system work? How does the platform work? I am dying out here. Let me drink some more of my immunity. But it's like, how do you want to here's a question. If you are not sure if you should be using Agile or not, here's one question to ask yourself. Here is one question to ask yourself. How do you want to deliver software? If you want to deliver software like where you are learning from the users, where you're learning from your clients, then you're going to want to go with a Agile approach, Scrum-like, or Scrum, whether like you're deploying on a regular basis, and you say, all right, these are our goals for the next 2 weeks. This is what we're trying to accomplish, and we're going to be working towards that goal. And we're going to have metrics. We're going to have all that type of stuff, right? Because I don't see how it's possible that you can deliver a feature and then it's not used for 2 years. Because if that's the case, then it wasn't really a feature. And here's a little thing, right? I blame you. Yes. See me, I'm gonna call you. I blame you. Why do I blame you? Because you said you only meet with them 10 times a year. How often do you schedule the meetings? Are you scheduling the meetings with them, or are you waiting for them to schedule it with you? You should have regular follow-ups. Once a week, twice a week. Sliding into your stakeholders' DMs. Sliding into your stakeholders' DMs. Yeah. Say, hey, what do you think about this feature? You should be a nuisance. You should pester your stakeholders to make sure that they have at least tried out the application. They have tried out the new features. Right? So it's on you. It's on you. Everyone has stakeholders. Everybody has stakeholders. No matter the industry that you're in, everyone has stakeholders. Your car has stakeholders. Mitch has stakeholders. Delfinchik has stakeholders. I have stakeholders. And I'm not talking about the person at the Brazilian steakhouse who carries not those stakeholders, although I really appreciate those stakeholders, but I'm talking about people who are reliant on the work that you're producing. So schedule meetings with them. Make sure that they're using the features that you're producing. And you're asking, okay, what challenges are you having? What can I solve for you? And you be the stakeholder to your developers. Saying, this is what we need to build. You're the gap. And I think that if you are delivering software, unless you're delivering some type of software for the government, then maybe you want to go chase a waterfall, but you want to have the new features rolling out, because guess what? If you don't, somebody else will, and now they're going to be looking to switch to a different company. And now, not only will you not have stakeholders, you will not have clients, and you will not have a JOB. Right? I'm just being honest.
I was gonna lie to you, but I had to tell the truth. I'm just being honest.
Let's wrap that one up.
Every step I took alone, built a kingdom all my own. No more shadows pulling strings. I am light, I am wings.
I walked away, no chains to bind. I left the past, I cleared my mind. The road was rough, the skies were gray, but I broke free, I found my way.
I walked away, I broke the chain, left behind their endless rain. Tried my best to make it fit, but their world wasn't it. Now I'm free, running strong. I won't look back where I don't belong. Left their weight in the fading dust. Freedom's here and I can trust.
Now I'm free, running strong. I won't look back where I don't belong. Left their weight in the fading dust.
Freedom's here and I can trust. I tried my best, I gave my all, but their world was too small. They couldn't see beyond their walls, so I chose to rise, not let myself fall.
Saw their ways a hollow sound. No real love was ever found. Left them there where they belong. Now my heart beats twice as strong.
Now I'm free, running strong. I won't look back where I don't belong. Left their weight in the fading dust. Freedom's here and I can trust.
Now I'm free, running strong. I won't look back where I don't belong. Left their weight in the fading dust.
Freedom's here and I can trust. Their whispers fade like distant songs. I found my voice where I belong. No anchors now, no shadows stay. I face the sun, a brighter day.
They wanted walls, I wanted skies. I couldn't live their tangled lies. Now I'm soaring winds at play, dancing light in every way.
Now I'm free, running strong. I won't look back where I don't belong. Left their weight in the fading dust. Freedom's here and I can trust.
Now I'm free, running strong. I won't look back where I don't belong. Left their weight in the fading dust. Freedom's here and I can trust.
I'm free, I'm running wild, like the laughter of a child. Free from their weight, I can breathe. This is my time to believe. I'm free, I'm running wild, like the laughter of a child. Free from their weight, I can breathe. This is my time to believe.